Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur text on CapCut. There are different ways to blur text on CapCut. Today I'll show you an easy and effective way of blurring text on CapCut. So at first, open your CapCut app, create a new project or open your existing project. Now add text to your video. Now, to blur the text, simply click on sticker and search for blur. Now choose one of the blur effect. Now hide the portion of the text by the sticker. And that's it. That's how you can blur text on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.